and Beaus, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jennifer of Custom Chic, and if you're new here, let me be the first to welcome you. I drop videos every Wednesday and every Friday on fashion, travel, and just lifestyle related content. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification so you know each time I drop a video. Today is Fashion in a Flash on Friday. It is edition number 2. I just literally dubbed that term last Friday. So today is the second day that I'm doing this, and I'm going to do something super quick. It's going to be my coronavirus haul / unboxing. Obviously, due to the pandemic, most of these boxes are no longer in my home. Once I get it, I spray them down, I leave them in the garage, and then I bring the goods in, right? So it's just a couple of items that I've gotten. Thank God we've gotten through another week. I hope your family has been safe and sound and staying home. We're going to get into my outfit, which is literally just an oversized poplin shirt from Zara. If you want to see the entire look, head over to my Instagram, customs@_chic, and you'll see the whole thing. So let's get into the intro and the video. Unboxing or items that I want to show is from my favorite Zara. Don't worry, I did spray this box down. It just had multiple items in it, so I just brought the box in, right? So the first one that I want to show you guys is this. And you know what? I will probably show the picture of this side by side so that you guys can actually see it, but it is this neon lime green poplin sort of gathered dress. And I purchased it because I like the gathering at the bottom. I bought this in a size medium. Neon is also still in for 2020, so I definitely wanted to buy it. It's a couple of different materials. So right here, it's just cotton, and then this feels like a polyester sort of like stretch. Looking at it already, it's already wrinkled and crinkled, so this is probably going to be something that's going to require a lot of prep time, and that's not really what I love about my Zara dresses. I prefer to throw on a knit dress from Zara and just keep it pushing. The picture, it was not this wrinkled, obviously, but we'll see. So this is item number 1, and it was, ooh, for $49.99. If it's still wrinkling like this, I don't know. Okay. Number 2 is, let me pop it up. Throw that box down there. Okay, so number 2 is this sort of super basic, and I'll throw the picture up on this too so that you guys can see it, but it's a super basic dress, and it has like off the shoulder sleeve that you can wear it, and it has this like cupping. I'll move it closer so that you guys can see. Cupping like right here in the front. I don't know how that's going to work for my bust size, so I'm not exactly sure about this, but what did kind of attract me to this item was that the zipper had this fun detailing on the sleeve, or the sleeve had a fun zip detailing right there. Don't mind my nails, it's still COVID time outside. So we'll see. Polka dots are also something that are in for spring and summer 2020, so I picked up these 2 trends just to see what they were going to look like. Also, I like them, so we'll see if these are keepers or not. I'll definitely let you guys know, and if you want to see these styled, head over to customs_chic on Instagram, but I'll be sure to let you guys know when I drop these outfits. Yeah. Next up on the list is from Asos. Now, if you are a frequent shopper at Asos or have ever shopped Asos, you know their stuff does not come in boxes. It comes in bags. So what I did was, once these items came in, I kept the bag in the garage, sprayed them down, and then now they're here. Before I get into this outfit though, honorable mention, right? So I've been trying to figure out different ways to like play with the setup, play with the room. Last week I had my number 21 studded embellished mule up here, and today I have one of my favorite heels. It's the Charlotte Olympia Dolly pump. This is what introduced me to the designer. I really love the way this had this wedge platform. They are insanely high, but insanely comfortable, and I think it's probably because it's got this massive platform right here. And then, I mean, just how fun is that? How fun is that? I love that. And they come in different colors and different prints. You can definitely find them on the secondary market, the pre-loved market. We talked about that last week. So you can find them on there, and I think She re-releases this shoe every season, just probably in a different print and a different style. I know it comes in like a slingback. So yeah, Charlotte Olympia, Dolly pump, honorable mention. That is the shoe of the shoot. Shoe of the shoot, fashion in the flash on a Friday. I mean, I might as well just start writing jingles. But that's a whole, we'll get back to that. Anyway, so ta-da! Asos dad floral jacket and matching pants. This screams to me spring or summer graduation. Somebody's like, I don't know, swearing in ceremony, which is probably very close to a graduation, but like a late time wedding. Like, I mean, I'm getting like the rich auntie vibes. My nieces and nephews probably think I'm a rich auntie, but I love this. I cannot wait to wear it. I got the jacket in a size 6 because it's a dad style, it's oversized. And then the pants, I got these in a size 8. I think the jacket was maybe 69 or 79, and then the pants were like 39 or 49. I'm not 100% sure, I don't remember, but I will leave this in the description box and let you guys know. Hopefully it's not sold out. When I went and purchased this a couple of weeks ago, the pants were sold out, so hopefully they've replenished, because obviously to die for. I mean, not really die, but have a huge moment of silence for this whole fit. You know it's true. Okay, next up is this Solace London beauty of a dress. Now, you're like, what is all this packaging? I actually got this from Rent the Runway, and if you guys are subscribers, you saw my video when I talked about favorite fashion moments while I was traveling in some of my favorite cities in the US. Well, this dress made an appearance while I was talking about New York City. I wore this dress 2 years ago when I went to the Veuve Clicquot polo match, and I didn't purchase it. I rented it from Rent the Runway, and I really loved the dress, but I ended up sending it back. And then while I was shooting that video and kind of just going down like memory lane, I was like, man, that dress was really, really nice, and it like snatched my waist like no other. So I tried to find the dress. I couldn't find it anywhere. I couldn't find it on the Real. But I ended up going back to Rent the Runway, and ta-da, it's here. So why is it part of a haul? Because I'm talking about Rent the Runway. I actually purchased it because Rent the Runway does give their members the option to purchase an item that they love. I am an unlimited member, but I don't know that they give that option to all of their different membership classes. So look into that, but for sure, if you do Rent the Runway Unlimited, if you rent something and you love it, they do give you the option to purchase that item at a cheaper price. Now, I love this dress. I love everything about it. Solace London is one of my favorite designers. They are a UK brand, so that means most of their things, if it's coming straight from their website, will be in pounds. So 9 times out of 10, I do wait, unless it's a thing or item that I absolutely love and I have to have it. But for the most part, I try to get it after it's a little bit on sale and a little bit after season, so that I'm not spending crazy amounts of dollars. But I mean, great construction. It's got like this sweetheart neckline. The corset on the inside definitely cinches the waist. I felt super comfortable in this, and it's like asymmetrical on the sides. There's a little bit of draping. Just beautiful, beautiful. I'll pop up a picture so that you guys can see. And I'll also pop the link for my favorite fashion moments while traveling in the USA. If you haven't had an opportunity to see that, you're home, it's Friday, get some popcorn, get some wine, Olympia Pope style. Just indulge. I'm not gonna judge you. I'm really not. I'm not. All right, guys, that is my fashion in a flash on a Friday. Thank you so much for watching. If you stuck around this long, you already know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so that you know each time I drop a video, which is every Wednesday and every Friday. Happy weekend, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.